I've been playing the Hammond organ, well, roughly about 22 years of my life. I mean, I've been all over the world, all over this country, and I've played all kind of organ simulators. But the feel has always been a problem, because when you're used to actually playing a Hammond organ and the pedal board as well, it just has its own feel, and that was probably designed by Hammond originally from the original company. This is the best alternative to actual Hammond B3.
I was skeptical at first, but it is in fact a remarkable instrument. Unlike a clone, it is an actual Hammond organ. The parts are there. Everything that the musician interacts with is there. The machine has been MIDI so that you can connect it via a computer to any software you want to run as any normal MIDI controller would run.
I mean, it's hard to even explain. It's a remarkable piece. So for those of you who are gospel musicians or blues musicians and you travel a lot, you gig, and B3s aren't always easy to come by, or people can't always get them. I mean, the thing actually can fit inside your car.
I've done it with Pitchfork, Lollapalooza, South by Southwest. Turn a lot of heads because people think it's a chop, but in fact, it's a digital controller. Very reliable. I've not had any problems with it. There's a lot of clones and lots of alternatives out there, but if you're a Hammond player and you appreciate drawbars, the feel of the instrument, if you appreciate an excellent build, and if you need the machine to work every night, no matter where you are, this is the machine to get on it.